If you are looking for an amazing set of end tables that are easy to put together for a small space, you are absolutely going to love these. This is exactly what they look like. They're 7 inches wide, so perfect for smaller design. This is what it looks like up front and close. Really like this top right over here. These are super sturdy. These could also go side by side just like this. So if you want to use them as end tables, you could do that. If you want to use them as nightstands, you could kind of put them this way. You could do either or, it doesn't really matter. Just really solid. You got 3 shelves over here. So you have 1, 2, 3 over here, and then on the bottom over here, when we're looking down over here, we have these adjustable legs as well, so you don't have to worry about it being wobbly or anything like this. I would say this took maybe 15 minutes to put together. So if you're looking for a great set of small end tables, definitely check this out, and thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.